All right, this is the 2004 Ram bedside repairs. What I've done is taken my patch and traced it and then cut the body out, and then we went back and trimmed that to make it fit perfect. If you look close, you can see my lines where we traced it. This outer wheel tub I replaced. Basically the old ones will always be rotted right through here. So that wasn't too bad to remove. I just went in here with the Sawzall, cut this along the seam, and then went back with a grinder and then ground all the spot welds out. That worked pretty well. And then for reinstalling this one, I took vice grips and clamped it in place on that seam, used that to hold it, and then fitted this panel in there until I got this just right. Then what I did was drilled holes on the back side of this and just welded into each hole as little spot welds. I got about 12 of those, and then I actually welded a couple spots right on the seam. Wasn't too bad. This side's going a lot faster than the other side. Kind of next step is I'll actually put seam sealer all the way around here and down across this edge here to keep all this sealed. That way no more moisture gets in there. That's what happens, is moisture gets on the back side here and rots this. And then also, if you look, I wire brushed all of the inner wheel tub and put rust preventative on there, and that rust stopper turns black when you spray it on, and then painted over that. And then I went ahead and put another coat of paint on this, and then painted the inside of that. And this is our replacement piece here. If you look, I painted the back side of it. It comes just bare metal, so once we got it all trimmed to fit, I went ahead and painted the back side of this with a couple good coats just to help stop any rust from the back side. When we do weld it in, we're gonna lose a little bit, and I'll try to get in there and respray that. No, hopefully this helps you guys. Taking a little bit more time than what I thought, but this side's going faster than the driver's side. The driver's side probably took us about 8 hours to get where we're at, but that was the first time doing it. My dad's working on this side. That's where we're at, doing the same process on this side. He's got the body work pretty close, but it's coming out pretty good. I'm happy with it, but definitely takes a good amount of time. I'd say definitely plan on taking a weekend to do all your sheet metal work, and then you're gonna do your body work from there. So if you're pretty efficient on it, you could probably have all the metal work done and the body work done in a weekend, and then we'll still have to paint it from there. But just a quick update here, and hopefully this helps some people. We're really just using basic tools: cut-off wheel, a drill, a welder. I mean, we do have a spot welder, but it wasn't working out the best for this. So like I said, I just ended up drilling holes and just plug welding it basically with the standard MIG welder. But nothing crazy. Like I said, really basic tools, but it does take a lot of time, and we took our time with fitting this and just slowly trimming it to make sure we're going to get a good fitment. Didn't want to get in a hurry there. So I mean, I'm sure you could do it faster. This is the second time I've ever done something like this, with replacing like a wheel tub and then like a quarter panel or bed repair. The other one was the 73 Camaro. We did the outer wheel tubs and the quarter panels. But this is similar in a lot of ways and different in a lot of ways, because we replaced the whole quarter panel, which would be like replacing this whole bedside. But we did do the outer wheel tub, which is just about identical, to be honest there. But yeah, I will update you guys as we go, and so far it's coming out good. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.